Guys, it's Shundara. What is up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video of the Battle of the Dupes, we will be putting Earth to Skin Superfruit Watermelon Hydrating Serum to the test with Glow Recipes Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. So 2 ounces of Earth to Skin's Watermelon Moisturizer will run you $8.94 on Walmart's website plus tax if you buy it at the store or online. So all in all, it'll be $10. Glow Recipes moisturizer at 2 ounces is $39 plus tax is about $40 or $41. I also want to say I am wet because my daughter was splashing water on me. So if you just see wetness, mommy mode, please forgive me. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch both products. Okay, so the first product we're gonna swatch is Earth to Skin. So I'm gonna just put it. Oh my God, come on. Just the pump. There we go. That is Earth to Skin. And this is Pink Juicy. I'm gonna swatch it next to it. Hope it's really pretty. Oh my God, it got everywhere. They look really similar in texture. This is Earth to Skin and this is Glow Recipe. Oh, this one, even though they look similar in texture, feeling, Glow Recipe is way more hydrating, if you guys could see. Can you guys see those swatches? Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and smell both products. I am going to go smell Pink Juicy by Glow Recipe first. Okay, so this one smells more like a perfume watermelon. Very fragrant watermelon. You could use it in a body splash per se. It's very fragrant, very nice. You know, I gotta put it all the way on my elbow because the swatches, I think the scents may intermingle. Oh my God. Really, work on the component, Walmart. Component ghetto. That's all I gotta say. This one smells more candy, cheapy, alcohol scent. So you get more very, you know, honestly, since honestly this one is the best watermelon. They both smell like watermelon, but one smells like, you know, you get the real good stuff, while this smells a little cheap, a little stinky, a little alcohol based, like. So I'm just letting you guys know. However, I will be putting Earth to Skin on this side of my face, and I am going to go ahead and put Glow Recipe on this side of my face. I will say this, these are serums, but they can also be used as moisturizers. So I'm going to go ahead and 1, 2, bam. Oh my God. Come on, Earth to Skin. And then Glow Recipe don't ever. It's just 1, 2, look at. I love you, Glow Recipe. Thank you for making my job so much easier while, you know, Earth to Skin's making it horrible. I know y'all probably like, you're putting too much, don't, please stop. And your head is so cute and small. Oh my God. So I will say this. I will say Earth to Skin goes on very thin like water. So you can probably apply way less than I did. I will say Glow Recipes product goes on thick, very thick, very succulent. It's literally like applying hyaluronic acid except with more ingredients to your skin. So I do love it for that fact. It feels way more hydrating as I'm applying the serum to my skin. Way more hydrating, Glow Recipe. This one just feels, you know, like, you know, it really does feel like a cheaper version of Glow Recipe. I mean, I don't know. It's cheap. Oh my God. Walmart. I was expecting a little bit of. Side note, I did review the Earth to Skin product and I gave it a good review. But every time we do these side-by-side comparisons, it's like the cheap El Cheapo versus the good stuff. Quaint Beauty versus Clay. Let me stop. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like on the Earth to Skin side, and this is the Glow Recipe side. Yeah, Earth to Skin, Glow Recipe, 20 minutes, and then we'll be back to talk about it. Okay, you guys, it's been about 20 minutes. Both moisturizers have seeped into my skin, so I am going to go ahead and do a close-up. So here's Earth to Skin's moisturizer, and here is Glow Recipe's moisturizer. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Here is my cheek, Glow Recipe. Here is my cheek, Earth to Skin. Here is my chin, Glow Recipe, Earth to Skin. Here is my forehead, Glow Recipe, Earth to Skin. Looking in the mirror, we have a lot to talk about, so let's just talk about it. Okay, you guys, let's talk about Earth to Skin versus Glow Recipe's Watermelon Moisturizer. You know, El Cheapo is at it again. That's all I have to say. If you are looking for a moisturizer to penetrate your skin, I think the Pink Juicy Moisturizer is where you want to go. It does contain sodium hyaluronate, and sodium hyaluronate is going to penetrate your skin. However, you should use a moisturizer to back up both of these moisturizers. The Earth to Skin product is going to leave your skin a little bit more shiny, a little bit more greasy, a little bit more oily looking. It gave me a little bit of texture, and that's because the fragrance was a little bit higher, and it smelled a little bit more artificial than Glow Recipe's product did on the fragrance side, if that is something you are curious or concerned about. I will also say my skin looks much brighter on the Glow Recipe side, way more hydrating. The serum did penetrate on the Glow Recipe side. The serum just didn't fall down to my skin. It was literally not coming down my skin like water. Filling my skin, I will say Earth to Skin is a little bit more sticky, so the product, in my personal opinion, is probably going to peel depending on your skin type. If you have oily skin, I don't see the product peeling. If you do have dry skin, if you do have combination skin, because you probably will use more of the product than people with oily skin would, you will get some sort of product buildup, especially in my opinion on the Earth to Skin side of things. Way more product buildup. But the Glow Recipe product, honestly, when I gave this my review, I was not really impressed with the Glow Recipe. I actually like the Earth to Skin better, but on a side-by-side comparison, honestly, Glow Recipe, you did win. I am going to give it to you. You made a way better product than the dupe of it. However, is it a dupe? Yes. I think personally it's going to give you a radiant glow, but the glow is not, I mean, the light looks horrible. Let me turn this light down. It is going to give you a radiant glow. However, you are going to get way better results from Glow Recipe's product, especially if you're looking for something hydrating, more moisturizing. You're going to get way better results on Glow Recipe side, and probably 9 out of 10, because when I did use the Glow Recipe product, it is an oil-free moisturizer, so it really isn't for combination skin, and it's really not for people who live in the desert. I live in Arizona, which is a desert with a dry climate, so this is really not a product for me. But when you put it next to Earth to Skin product, it is way better in performance, even though I will say Earth to Skin product does appear to be way more hydrating. Glow Recipe product is actually way more hydrating. It is going to seep into your skin. However, if you don't mind Earth to Skin's Watermelon Moisturizer sitting on top of your skin, then go ahead and go with Earth to Skin's Watermelon Moisturizer. It is cheaper, it is a dupe, but hunty, you are not going to get the way better results you are with Glow Recipe. However, I will say this, it is a dupe. However, the results are going to take a little bit longer to work. The radiant glow, the hydrating, you may have to apply way more product. The product is a little bit thinner than Glow Recipe's product, which is way thicker and way more hydrating. So don't expect the same results. However, it is a dupe in my opinion. Girl, I mean El Cheapo. cheap. I just think about cereal. You know, when you got like Fruit Loops and then Fruity O's, that's all I can think about. Fruit Loops and Fruity O's. Okay, you guys, so I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you heard the trifling landscapers in the back making noise, my bad. You know, unprofessional, rude as outdoors. Anyways, you guys, with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.